nababakabalin. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, guys. For today's vlog, we are back dito po sa Swissotel and we are invited dito sa Mark for their month-long celebration. Meron tayong special section dito for Swiss dishes. Ayan, that's what we're gonna enjoy in this vlog. If you wanna know more, samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! Ayun. So this is our table, guys, and we are happy that we are sharing the table with someone else. Mark. Actually, Mark lang siya. Mark. Yeah, there goes the Mark.
Hindi naman si Sir Julie watching.
Okay. Kahit ano lang yan.
Kahit ano lang yan. Nagsushoot sa akin pag ako
Wow, yun pala siya. Ang galing niya.
Pag ako niya.
Nice one.
There you go.
Tapos dalawang isang kutsara dito. Smile.
Smile ka naman.
Kabila naman. Hindi ka tumatabahan.
Teka lang, lagi ko nahihirapan na yan eh. Soup de chalet, cheese fondue, cordon bleu, schnitzel, then ito yung pinakamera, Zurcher Geschnetzeltes. Geschnetzeltes.
Well, actually, question ko lang basically is, what is Swiss known for sa mga pagkain?
Swiss is really known for cheese. It's all about cheese, 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 and more cheese. Popular dishes is the Zurich Geschnetzeltes. So it's really made of veal or young cow. Then of course the Swiss chocolate cake, cordon bleu, schnitzel, as well as the upper magronen or their version of mac and cheese.
For this month, which is Swiss month, is that correct?
Yes, it's
we
Swiss
converted
month.
one part of the Mark.
So there's like 10 must-try Swiss food here at Mark for the whole month of August. So we're inviting everyone to join us and try this 10 lovely Swiss dishes here at MRKT Swissotel Clark.
That's the last dessert that came in. Actually, we had three. We had three desserts, guys. Wow, sobrang busog. All in all, the experience, again, siyempre, mga international food dito, it's very different from what we have here sa Pilipinas. Especially yung cheese. Ibang klase yung cheese nila, guys. If you're interested for these kinds of dishes, Mark is going to have the entire August preparing for these kind of dishes or serving these kinds of dishes. So wanna try them? For more details, guys, check out the fan page we're gonna be including or call the numbers so that makipag-inquire din po kayo all the details that you need in order for you to come here dito sa MRKT Swissotel. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope natakam po kayo, guys, and thanks so much Swissotel for inviting us. As always, it's a pleasure dining here dito sa Mark and Swissotel. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye, guys.